Our dear friend, Mr. T-Bird. We've got a drip of coolant from somewhere. Our oil pan is nice and clean, of course, because it's brand new. Our trans is, of course, profusely urinating. We're gonna end up probably sending this baby over to Mark at C&M, because he's the trans guy and that's his job. But so we're looking good here otherwise. Pan is nice and dry and clean and sealed. I get to play find the coolant leak. Get to play figure out our trans cooler situation. Got to take our brakes apart and see what in the hell we got going over there. But other than that, not too shabby. Also have to do the leaf spring shackles too. But there should be. So Geoff was here a little bit ago, and you'd spin the wheel and go and be real hard, and then be smooth and so the brakes were very well, they were out very far and they weren't centered very well. But now spin that wheel. All right, brakes readjusted. I found our little cooling system leak. It was actually the thermostat housing. So I tightened that baby up. Should be good now. We're gonna go for a little cruise around the block. Still darts to one side under braking, which makes me wonder if it's an alignment issue. Oh, that shimmy. We might need to take this over, because I can do alignments here, but I really like having Frank do it because he's a damn legend. You know, I can do performance race car stuff, but he's got the wazoo-ish. But we ain't making braking noise, at least this time. So we got that going for us. I really like these, by the way. Little shimmy, y'all. Yeah, we all know that song, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go drive this a little more and see what we got going. Ooh, there we go. Driving. Well, made it back. It only stalled on me about 5 times. Of course, now it wants to run fine. Brakes suck. Still make noise. Yeah, I gotta dig in and figure out what's going on here. It almost feels like we have no brake booster. Or a bad master, like it's recircing. Alright, what are we misbehaving on now, cars? We got smoke. Alright, we got smoke. That's cute. Surgeon and shit spraying everywhere over here. I'm glad it's coming out the overflow now and not the friggin' thermostat housing back there. see what we got going on with this car. Interesting. Kind of loads up. Oh, I wish this would stay up. Adjust this so we can get a little better. Interesting how it's got some vacuum surge. Didn't like that, but that's cute how the friggin' distributor's moving around on us. It's the point where the vacuum. It's hot. Fuck. Fun. Fun. Hot. All right. I found our issue. I wish I was recording when I saw it do it. It just shot fuel out of those vents right there. Ah, there it goes. There's our problem. Looks like that needling seat is not happy. Not as happy. Ruh-roh. Fun.